Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to introduce you to a very powerful tool in Obsidian, which is going to help you with your daily tasks. It is going to help you track your daily tasks. So we have created a template and we have talked about gratitude, affirmations, visualization, meditation, followed by the daily task. Now, when you're working on the task every day, you need to keep track of it properly. If you don't track your task daily, then you may not be able to finish the task by the end of the day. So, there is a special tool. It's a third party plugin or software that can be downloaded in Obsidian, and we can use this tool to track your tasks daily. So I'm going to show that so that you will understand well. So Kanban is a simple yet powerful method for managing tasks visually. It uses columns like to do, in progress, and done to organize and track work. Tasks are represented as cards and move through these columns as they progress. So let me quickly take you to Obsidian. So this is Obsidian. Click on settings here and you see on the left hand side core plugins and you also see community plugins. Click on community plugins, click on browse and type Kanban, K-A-N-B-A-N, Kanban, and you see Kanban here. Click on it and it is asking you to install. Click on install and it is going to install the software if you see on the right hand side. Okay, the software has been installed, the plugin has been installed. You can click on enable here. There is an option called enable. Click on enable. Now Kanban has been installed and it has been activated. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close everything. I'm going to restart Obsidian again. Okay, I have closed everything. Now I'm going to open Obsidian again. So it is good to reopen the application or restart the Obsidian application after installing any plugin or software. Okay, so since we have installed Kanban now, let's look for it. So if you see on the left hand side, there is this little icon. It says create new board. So this is the Kanban software or the plugin that we have just installed. So I'm going to click on it. If you click on it, the interface looks like this. The interface looks like this. It says on the top right hand side, mark cards in this list as complete, add list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my first one. Let's say to do. What are the tasks that you have to do? Copy it, paste it, add list. Okay, it has created a column here. Now I'm going to copy in progress, the tasks that are going to be in progress, paste it here, add list. It has created in progress as well. In the same way, I am going to copy for done and I'm going to paste it here, add list, it's done. Okay, so you have a column for to do, you have a column for in progress, and you have a column for done tasks or activities. Now let's fill up with some details. So let's say in the morning you have added all the details in the template and you have created some tasks for yourself. Now it is time to work on your task. So you can track it by using Kanban tool. So let's say for example, you want to work on these four tasks today. These four tasks. Okay, write a project, update, email. So these are the tasks. Click on add a card, paste it here, hit enter. See, a task has been created. Write a project, update, email. I'm going to copy the next one, research for upcoming presentation. So you also need to do some research about some upcoming presentation. You paste it here, hit enter. And the third one is prepare healthy lunch for yourself. So you're going to paste it and hit enter. And the last one is read for 20 minutes. So these are the tasks that you want to do for this particular day. Now, maybe you are already working on some task, maybe since yesterday, but they are still in progress. They have not been completed. Now, if you want to add the tasks which are already in progress, you can also do. So finalize slides for presentation. So you are already working on it and you want to add them under in progress section. Morning workout. Okay. So you need to you're already doing some morning workout and it is in progress. Now you want to track what are the things that you have completed or they are done. You have already responded to some important client emails. So create a card, paste, done. Go back, schedule team meeting for next week. Copy, paste, done. Okay, so in the morning when you wake up, you assign 4 tasks for yourself, and you also know that you're already working on 2 tasks which are in progress, and you have already completed 2 tasks maybe yesterday or the day before. That's why they are under done. So let's say you started working at 9 a.m. and by 11 a.m. you have completed working on these 2 tasks. You have written a project update email and you have also research for upcoming presentation. So you have finished the task, so there is no point keeping it under to do section. You need to simply drag it and put it under done. Okay, and you have already finished. You have also finished research for upcoming presentation. So you simply put it under done. See, now you move them to done section. Now at any point in time, from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. You finished your morning workout or you finished finalizing your slides for presentation. You move them to done. So you have finished most of the tasks and you have moved them to done section. Maybe around 1 p.m. in the afternoon or 2 p.m. in the afternoon, you realize that your research for upcoming presentation is not up to date. Maybe you wanted to add some pictures or slides or some other things. So what you can do is you can move it back to in progress. Okay. So in this way, you can keep, dragging and dropping your task however you feel comfortable. So at the end of the day, let's say you have finished reading for 20 minutes, you move it to done section. Okay. Done section. And by 6 p.m., I mean, in the afternoon, maybe around 1 p.m., you have finished preparing nice lunch. So you also move it under done section. So you have finished all your tasks by the end of the day, and you have in progress things like morning workout. Maybe you have also finished it in some time. So you can move it to morning workout. So research for upcoming presentation, you are still working on it and you're going to finish it maybe today or tomorrow, but you just keep it under in progress. You don't have to move it until it is done. So this is a very important tool or task management tool which will be very helpful to track your daily tasks or activities. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.